how to change your account name on Paymaya. So first things first, the very first part on downloading this application, you will be redirected to log in or to register to an account. If you will be redirected to create an account, that's the time when you have to upload your physical ID that you have on your mobile phone. Now, setting up a personal details on Paymaya will actually reflect depending on what documents that you're showing. But in this case, unfortunately, you won't be able to change it because it is actually based on the card or the ID that you uploaded. But if there are some specific letters that is mistakenly input on your username, what you can do is to reach out the customer support. Doing this via the official website or via the app is actually the same. Simply hit on or go directly into contact us, and then if you scroll down a bit, you will be able to see the Maya support domain or the email address right here. Just send them specific screenshots that there are some issues or there are some incorrect letters that was input on your user profile. And that's it. That's how you change account name in Paymaya.